The Chakra Vortex collection was created because I went on a trip to Sedona years ago, and I was the only one who couldn't find the vortex. Everybody else was going, oh, I feel all this energy. And I'm like, gosh, I'm the one who's supposed to be psychic, and I can't feel anything here. I didn't feel any vortex. But I realized from that experience that the vortex is really just a pocket of energy. That's all it is. It's a pocket of energy. And if you could tap into your 7th chakra, which are the energy centers in the body, you could create an energy movement within and attract and manifest from those centers. And you know, the other explanation of what the chakra is far too long to describe here, but I created the Chakra Vortex collection so that you could manifest the vortex within you. And that's the idea. Within my Chakra Vortex collection, there are 3 lines. There's Home, which has 6 pieces that are specifically designed to be used only in the home. They're not meant to be worn because they attract certain energy into a room. For example, the Artist's Magic really opens up the energy of inspiration, and it brings your muse directly into you when you're working. Or the Open Heart, which is just a beautiful healing piece, which brings love into the home. Because I believe you have to bring it into your space in order to create it. So that's how the home collection works. With those 6 pieces, it's really just a very nice rounded collection. I didn't go overboard with it. I felt that each one of them was very specific and create exactly what you want, to create exactly what you want in your home. The second line to the collection is the Fluid Elegance line. The Fluid Elegance goes back to the original thought of the 7th chakra. So the Fluid Elegance will take you from your root chakra all the way to your crown chakra. And there are 7 pieces in that particular line, capped off by one more, which I added, which is the Artist's Magic wearable piece. And it's absolutely stunning. And that's a very powerful piece that encompasses all the chakra. The idea behind Fluid Elegance is that you can either wear it or hang it in the home. And each one will activate a certain energy center in your body. So if you're dealing with health issues or you want to activate a certain part of your life, the Fluid Elegance line is really specific for that and terrific. The third line in that collection is the malas, and I refer to them as the prayer malas because they're active prayers. And actually, I'm wearing one right now. The prayer malas are very specific to each intention, and they were designed with a specific intention in mind. Unlike the others, which draw through your energy, this will draw to you exactly that intention, whether you choose divine love or spirit guides or seduction, which is also a lovely piece. You know, I tell a lot of people because I do get people come to me and say, I want to lose some weight. And I said, well, probably seduction's the one. And they go, what? That's not, what do you mean? And I said, because if you feel lovely inside, then the weight just falls off. And I had a client who lost quite a bit of weight that way as well. I chose this piece today because I wanted to create a sense of centeredness for myself and also a way to convey who I really am to anybody who's listening so that they can get the full sense of the true me. And I think the malas in general bring out the true you to other people. And it's really about authenticity. That's how I see everything. Each piece is designed for that.